Alright, here we go, guys. It's Tuesday night. That means it's time for Cash Darts and Mega Cricket bonus here at 643boxbreaks.com, where we like to rock out some bonuses for you guys when the bids go high. So, Skeet and JTD and Frank and Tebow and Frank and Chappie and Succotash and Johnny and Aaron and Frank. JDD picked number 29 first, and Sly Foxes picked number 5. Aaron had the extra dart turn. Succotash, welcome to Breaks. Talking to you a bunch on through eBay. Hope you check out 643. We do zany auctions like this every night, and then after the auctions are done, we do buy it now style breaks, like the one I linked to you. And we got Sly and JGD and Codfishy. Welcome back, bud. Johnny Boy and the Godfather himself has got Winnipeg. Couldn't get 2 teams, though. Sadly, you need 2 teams to participate in Cash Darts, which usually the bids go high. Today was the lowest bidding one ever, but we still got some nice prizes going out. So, first things first, we're going to open up Sly Foxes, number 5. And everybody, please cheer for Sly, because he's had like 6 bad stinkers in a row. But his streak has just ended. And seeing it's a spacer on the end, this is a slab card. So I'm going to slow roll it. In the game, 12th edition stick. I love this card, buddy. You're going to love this card too. I almost kept this one for myself. It's sticking. Sorry. Out of 9. No, it's not Lemieux. It's Mike Bossy. And that card, that gorgeous card, looks like this. Giant hunk of stick for you, buddy. Your patience pays off with a beautiful gem. I love that card. I love it. And let's see if JDD can have his good luck. This card number 29 that he picked. JDD has got a... Oh, hello. What's going on tonight? JDD has got a slab as well, and it's a gem. So let's slow roll this one. You know, there's only 2 slabs left in there, and you guys just picked them both. This one, in the game, 12th edition, auto, out of 29, and I can't even remember what this one is. Oh, I know what it is. Beezer! John Van Beesbrook. And that one looks like this. That's a nice little card for you, buddy. So you guys got your money's worth out of your listing buys today. So anyways, let's go on to our box. Ending in 554 as posted. Ah, you're welcome. Factory sealed box of limited. I love doing this, guys. Even though that gem and stinker is a real pain to keep going, but hey, I do it for you guys. And we got a pretty thick pack. We might have a case hit in there, actually. And here's our checklist, and here's my frisbee. Oh yeah. Oh, we got a net presence case hit in there, boys. Just when you think it couldn't have got any better. We're booming out a thickie. Hopefully it's a sharp printed one. So first card. Going to the Dallas Stars. And Dallas is Soccer Taz. I like to get a spacer so you guys can't see. A 3 base. That's Brendan Morrow out of 299. 281. Next base card is going to the LA Kings. And Chappie. Charlie Simmer Down. Also out of 299. Third base. Interesting. For the Philadelphia Flyers and Aaron, you got Braden Shen. Up $2.99. We have something. What is that? Oh, yeah, we have a jersey die cut for the Dallas Stars. And Soccer Taz. Nice freshman jumbo jersey die cut of Louis Erickson, number 21. White swatch. And that's, ooh, number 26 of 49. Close to his jersey number, not quite. The Net Presence card. Oh, no way. It is a short print. Oh, we got a redemption. That's interesting. So we'll do the Net Presence. Gonna have to be random between Boston Bruins and JDD and the Carolina Hurricanes of Eric Stahl. Tim Thomas, Eric Stahl. Number 4. The Bobby Orr version of this card of 25. Hard to see on there. So, as always, left is black, right is red. Let's see who's going to get that nice card. It is Dallas and black. So JDD having a good night. And nabbing the Net Presence card. Along to go with his Beezer auto. Oh, well, you can trade for it, buddy. And we got a redemption, so I'll do that last. And for the Nashville Predators and Soccer Taz, Crease Cleaners of Pekka Rinne. Yeah, Tebow is crying, everybody. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got an extra card in this box. We got a box of 8, guys. For the Detroit Red Wings, Cup. Going to Skeet 93, you got some Stevie Y, my favorite insert ever. Wish it was autographed. That's out of 199 for you. There you go. And we got a redemptions, making this an 8-card pack. Oh yeah, sweet. Remember where I just said I wish this was autographed? Well, this one is autographed. It's a redemption. Let's see who it is. Stanley Cup Signatures card number 43. Stanley Cup Signatures. Stanley Cup Winners card number 43 is... Whoa! We're going to have to check this one. But I believe... Stanley Cup Winners, yeah. I believe this is the second Ray Bourque autograph I pulled in the last 2 boxes. I believe it's with Colorado and Chappie. But card number 43, Ray Bourque. That'll be an awesome hit. If somebody could check YouTube and make sure it's a Colorado card, I think I've seen it on eBay before. That'd be great. And while you're doing that, let's get ready for cash starts, guys. I guess I should have left my gloves on there first, but too late now. Uh, 43. Card number 43, Stanley Cup Signatures. Well, you had one number right, Johnny. You're not too bad. Okay, that is a Colorado card, so you just made your break there, Chappie. Way to go, buddy. I thought it was Colorado. Thanks, Todd, too. So, as you guys probably saw, the bids for this break actually didn't do all that well as they normally do. But I'm giving away a couple things tonight. Oh, it's out of 49? Nice. Yeah, that's a good card right there. So anyways, there's only 2 places tonight. And I'm giving away, first place is getting a Prism case spot worth $47. So you're pretty well guaranteed to get a mitt full of cards with that, 12 boxes of Prism. And second place is getting a Prism spot with $47 value. So, sorry guys, that's all that the break could muster this time. And last place will be getting a nice little card that I pulled. It is a Sven Berchi. That's all I'm going to say for now. And Piper smelled it, that's why she showed up. So, here's our darts. I'll show you guys. We got Skeet, JDD, Frank, Tebow, Chappie, Socrates, Johnny Boy, Aaron, Frank, Sly, and then Aaron bought the guaranteed spot. So, that's how it's going to roll tonight. Can I have my little Addy guy? Where's Sly Foxes? Alright. My little backup on the mathematics there for me. Alright, let's get pulling, guys. Good luck on the Prism spots. I wish I could have gave away hobby boxes tonight, but I'd like to see that Prism case move so we can do some artifacts. So anyway, Skeet 93, dart number 1. This is a 4. So you're on your way to a Nancy score. You throw like a Nancy. And a single 18. And the board keeps moving, but that's actually not too bad there. And Skeet's last darts is, of course, a high one, 38. So, 56.60. If I screw up a score, make sure you correct me. JDD's turn is a 6. Wow, small starts for you guys. Oh, I gotta pull with this hand and write with the other hand so I have to swap it every time. And a 5. And a 36. Again, 2 low ones. And a high one. So 47. No? Yes. I don't know. I suck. CM Punk gets the 1. Wow, we started with a 4, a 6, and now a 1. That's insane. And a 2. Wow. And does he get a high one now? Well, not really. Double 10 for 20. Puts you with 23 in line for the worst score you throw like a Nancy prize. T-Both 88, who, because the prizes are low, will probably win a case spot. And 16 points. The best start so far, double 8. And, yep, double bowl for 50, as predicted. Here it comes. And, oh, a double 18 for 36. Isn't that crazy? 90, 102? 92? 102. Yeah, I thought you were a mathematics guy. You do like the low ones. And Chappie. It's got a single 18. Oh, sorry, bud. And a triple 20 for 60. 78 already. Chappie is no stranger to winning in this one. And, oh, double 2 for 4. That gives you 82 for a solid second place. And Socrates. Starting out with a 42. Nice. And a single 12. Uh-oh. And a 51. T-Boss just got knocked out at first. 105. Johnny Boy. You should be able to hang on with a nice 102. Double 8 for 16. And a 6. Now remember, guys, you get to keep all these darts for your Mega Cricket. You can cash them out for prizes at your leisure. And Johnny Boy third darts is a single 13. So 29, 35. Second place prize is a case spot. They're both case spots. Aaron. Triple 11 for 33. Good start. Prism case break, yeah. Triple 8 for 24. We got a contender here. And a 24 again. Not quite good enough, I don't think. 81. High scores tonight. And we got Frank. Starting off with an 8. Double 4 for 8. And a 32. The double 16. And a triple 16 for 48. 70, 88. Not quite there. Yeah, I wish there was extra prizes tonight there. It would have been a close one. Sly Fox's turn. Starting out with a 38. Double 19. And a triple 2 for 6. And a single 20. So 50, 64. Nothing there. And Aaron, last chance. Go big or go small. One or the other. Oh, a 0 is a good go small start. With the floor dart. And a triple 7 for 21. Lowest is 23. You could still get it with a single 1 or another floor dart. And you got a double 3 for 6, giving you 27 points. So, there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. First place, T-Boss grabbing himself a $47 case spot. Oh, sorry, it's Socrates. Second place, T-Boss grabbing himself a same prize. And third place, with 23 points, is Frank, getting himself the You Throw Like a Nancy title for the week. And you're walking home with this Sven Berchi Ice Scripts. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you guys for your bids. And I'll see you on my next bin. Have a great day, and I'll be doing this next Tuesday. I'll see you guys there. Have a great night, guys.